Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to add members to your Telegram channel all in Amharic using just one application. Whether you're trying to grow your channel community, share important updates, or collaborate on projects, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to invite new members with ease, and even promote some of them to administrators if you want extra help managing things. Let's dive right in step by step. Okay, first you'll want to open your Telegram app and navigate directly to your channel. If you're already a channel creator or admin, you'll see your list of channels right on the side panel. Just tap the name of the one you want to work with. That puts you right inside the channel, ready to start managing. Next, take a look at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll notice three little dots stacked vertically. These are the More Options menu, and they're pretty much the key that unlocks your channel's settings. Go ahead and tap those three dots. Sometimes, depending on your phone or app version, they might be a little hidden or tucked away, so don't worry if it takes a second to spot them. Once you tap the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select Manage Channel. This option is important. It's basically your control center where you can adjust settings, see your subscribers, and tweak how your channel works. If you've ever wondered how big channels handle thousands of members, this is their secret headquarters. Now, inside the Manage Channel settings, you'll see an option called Subscribers. This is where you see everyone who's currently in your channel and, more importantly, where you invite new people. Tap on Subscribers and you'll be taken to the members list. Here comes the exciting part. You'll see an Add Users option. When you tap this, you can directly invite people from your Telegram contacts, which is super handy if you already have friends or colleagues linked to your account. Just scroll through, select who you want, and send them the invite. Suppose you want to invite someone who isn't already in your contacts, or you prefer to give them a bit more freedom to join when they're ready, you can simply send them the channel link. There's usually a handy copy button next to the link. Just hit that and paste it wherever you like, maybe into an SMS, another chat app, or even email. It's like giving someone the key to your community door. Now, if you want to turn some of these new members into administrators, maybe you're planning to run a big discussion or organize content together, here's how you do it. Back in the subscriber list, find the person you want to upgrade. Click on their name and you'll see an administrator option. Tap Add Administrator. Telegram lets you set permissions, so you get to choose exactly what your new admin can do, whether it's managing posts, inviting other members, or making changes. This can take a minute, so don't worry if it feels a bit fiddly. Take your time to get it right. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll find it surprisingly easy to grow your Telegram channel with new members and build a real team to help you manage it. Whether you're running a news community, a study group, or a business, these tools make your channel powerful and flexible. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I love helping out and I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Telegram and tech tutorials all in Amharic. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.